Do you want to take your forms to the next level? Forms app's field layouts will help you get more creative with your forms and offer a delightful experience to your audience. First, open our form and ensure Step View is selected as a form style. Then, simply select a form field and add a media file. This can be a photo, a video, or an icon. Here, we are adding a video. Once you add your media, the media will be displayed above your question title as a default. You can find the layout options in the field settings and try them. For example, you can show it next to your question, make it cover half of the screen, or use it as a background for that field. This one seems perfect as a background. Lastly, save and preview your form to see how your field's new layout looks. That's it. Now, you can easily customize your form design and offer a great experience to your respondents.